mic and desktop audio.
Mic check.
Is that the desktop audio? Is that the in-game sound? Is that the music?
Oh, I have music in the background.
You have music in the back? Oh no! We're gonna get demonetized now.
Oh, it's weird music as well. It's gone onto the auto playlist.
Oops. Hey, it's the right one. We didn't even.
Did the chat get to hear some of that weird music?
Did you hear weird music, chat? You laughing at us? You laughing at us? That's just. Is the screen black for anyone else? Is my Twitch being dumb? I hope not. It's not black to me.
Oh no.
Welcome to the oh yeah, turn it off. To the Open Weekend stress stream, where Jamie and I will be stressing over Open Weekend. As you can see, I'm here with the usual suspect, Jamie, and we got a laptop with us that Jamie will be using to
sometimes send out more keys.
Send out some keys if you're,
because keys on my life now.
Keys is Jamie even changed his name on Discord to Keylord Jamie, the key lime pie.
I could eat a pie. Key lime pie.
Mm-hmm. So I'll be playing a little bit, and Jamie will be.
I think it's mostly going to be you playing today, right?
Probably.
As usual. I mean, it's normally you anyway because you're.
Oh, it's like that?
You're better at the game than me.
Oh, that's nice. You twisted it there. I always thought you were going to be mad at me for always playing and hugging a computer, but
no, I have no issues with
there it is. Can I get a key? Been waiting from the start of TM. Please don't be mad. Jamie, can he get a key?
He can get a key. He just needs to join our Discord and ask on there.
See what's happening now?
Are we moving it?
No. I want to see the reach.
You want to see the reach?
What's the reach of this thing?
Why? What do you want to do with it? You want to show the whole studio?
That's
studio tour?
It's like almost no reach. I just want to do this so people can see.
Studio tour.
This is the studio tour with limited reach, so you can see people are super busy fixing the Open Weekend.
Fires in the background. People are trying to put them out.
Kind of also just playing. So if you hear yelling in the background, that's
Okay, you already did Winter Shout. Oh yes, I can see you did. I will get on that right now.
Huh. There's people playing. It's Seeming Games.
This search button, which should be a caps button, is going to really annoy me.
It's gonna mess you.
It's gonna frustrate me.
Let's see.
So it's been a pretty quiet week for us here, right? I mean, not much happening. I mean,
Jamie. The irony.
Look at all those servers.
I like it. I'm creating a server called Twitch TV/Play Trailmakers to promote the stream.
And anybody can join, right? If they have the open weekend.
There's no password.
You can come in, see your creations on stream.
Oh, you even got the tutorial.
Yeah. The new tutorial.
Or the old tutorial.
The temporary
tutorial. The temp tutorial.
The old one will be back.
The interactive one.
If you've already played the game, you won't see it anyway. Hopefully. I don't want to do it. I don't want to
build anything. I don't need to. Well, Jamie, only the history is available.
Yeah, I told you I don't have any blueprints right now.
Huh.
I've been testing stuff with blueprints, deleting them, and all that kind of stuff. So my folder is empty right now. I have some weird creations in there.
Well, you know what would be super embarrassing, Jamie? If I made a public Trailmakers server and no one wanted to play with me.
That would be embarrassing.
For an hour.
But I mean, there is a time difference happening. A lot of our
we do have an excuse.
Yeah, a lot of our community are US based.
Yeah.
So, and maybe if you're Europe based, you're still at work at this time, still at school, college.
That's true.
So it's not that weird.
So we do actually have an excuse.
Don't feel too bad if nobody wants to play
I'll
with
feel
you.
a little bad, but it helps that you said that. I don't need anyone else. I just solved that puzzle by myself. Okay, back to the usual schedule. Why is the import button grayed out? Is that because I need to save something first?
Need to save something first. That is correct.
And then exit build, and then into build, and then
what was that you just got?
The ladder?
Yeah. Was that like a new item or something?
I love you playing ignorant. What was that? Was that a new item? Yeah, got the ladder.
Oh man, I have so many.
It's perfect here for when you want to inspect your the jet. You can climb up. You get the key over Discord.
I'm just about to send it now. Winter Shell. Just bear with me.
He's working. He's working.
I'm trying to figure out this new keyboard that I have on the laptop.
You'll get to it. I'll have a nice calm stream where I play the game and have fun, and you'll have a not so nice and calm one. Oh, we got a guest.
Oh, that's Yay. You got a key earlier.
Mm-hmm. Let's find something. I'm just
But I'm sure you have some blueprints laying around somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Some community-based ones, maybe?
Just need to find the folder. That's from I say the game is awesome, guys. Keep it good and can't wait to play more. Thanks, Checkpoint. I liked your video yesterday.
I haven't watched it yet.
You haven't?
No.
I'm addicted to watching YouTube videos.
I've only watched Keys. That's all I've watched since yesterday.
You've only watched Keys. When you fall asleep, you see Keys. It's like that scene in Harry Potter.
I did see Keys when I fell asleep.
Remember that scene? Remember that scene in Harry Potter? Is it like that?
Kinda
also
like
because you're English?
I guess.
Yeah. I thought so.
That's racist.
Yeah, a little bit. I regret nothing. What's the drive? What's the drive? What's your drive? Jamie.
Where's if you go to desktop, and this is the quickest way to get there. And then go back a few
Why
steps.
would that be the quickest way?
Because I need to use the builds.
Right.
You know, I need to use those builds.
You need to use those builds for reasons. I found it.
It definitely will not take you a year to get a key, Gavinator 15. You will get a key soon. Assuming you've sent me a message on Discord.
That's not how helicopters work at all. You're doing it wrong. But I'll transport you. Oh, that's you. That was on you. Oops. I think there's another seat in here. I don't even know if he's watching the stream. Gotta join. Are you Pantere? Oh! He spawned the vehicle inside the truck.
Seems like that build has weird turning.
This has
you
weird turning?
4-wheel drive?
Oh yeah, 4-wheel steering.
No, one of them isn't.
3-wheel steering, like a real car, where you have 3 of the wheels for steering, and the 4th one is just dead weight.
Doesn't seem to affect it. Seems fine.
Gavinator says, I need a new key.
And I told him he should join the Discord.
You should join the Discord. Did you get that? Did you join the Discord?
If you're not on the Discord, the address you need to go to is at discord.gg slash
Trailmakers.
Trailmakers, not play Trailmakers.
Just slash Trailmakers. I like this truck. This is a community creation. Vehicles room on Discord. Someone put the truck in. Maybe it's XUT man who built this for someone else.
I found you now, Gavinator. I am sending your key as we speak.
This is just a key giveaway stream, really, with me doing some background noise. Oh well.
So that was an awkward silence.
No.
Should we
update
silences. People on what's happening with the open weekend and
yeah.
Sure.
I mean, yeah. if you haven't read the announcements room or our Twitter or the Facebook event or any of our many complaints, then you should know that we are right now waiting on Steam to review the Trailmakers Open Weekend version, and until they review that, the only way to access is with a key. As soon as they do review, we can just link to the store page and you can download directly from there. We hope to have that store page ready sometime today.
I hope so too.
Yeah. Jamie hopes so too, because he's the one giving out all the keys. So as soon as the store page is ready for just where you can just download the game through that, we'll send it out on Twitter and Discord and Facebook and emails to everyone who's signed up. But until then, discord.gg/trailmakers, DM Jamie. To activate the key on Steam, if you got one from Jamie, just go to your Steam library and click activate a product.
Yeah.
Activate a key.
Just like you would a normal game.
Just like a normal game. If you never pasted one before, I'm sure you can Google how to.
That is the Tumblr, right?
This one.
Is it?
This one is the Tumblr. It's the Tumblr V2 by Nox.
Yeah, it was
I think.
Nox.
Oh look. And something happened with the colors when I loaded it in. Did you see that? You got half blue.
But if you
black.
select the entire vehicle, you should be able to turn it all black again, right?
I know.
I think.
I know. Yeah. Oh, this is the Tumblr. I think the way to activate it is through the library, right?
It should just be at the top. It shouldn't matter which page you're on.
No.
Like at the very top of the Steam window.
The Tumblr is red, right, in the movie? Like the rest of Batman, red. Isn't that the... That's the thing. I'm pretty sure. I've seen it, the movie. Pretty sure he's red.
Batman?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's red in the version.
He's red,
I saw
right?
as well, yeah.
Good.
Yes!
Got him. Oh. That just happened. Sorry. Oh, there's still a part of it over here that didn't break. Do you think I can repair it?
It survived. You probably could repair it, but stuff might go wrong. Maybe.
Yeah. This doesn't look right at all. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, I mean Bruce Wayne is Redman.
Bruce Wayne drops a meaty.
Doesn't make any sense. You know Bruce Wayne, Redman?
Superman, right? Bruce Wayne.
Yeah, yeah. No, you're thinking of Harry Potter. What should we play with? What is this? This is cool.
What is this? I haven't seen this one.
What?
Whoa.
We're sideways.
Co-op driving?
Mm-hmm.
The other person can stay, right?
Woo! Sorry.
What's the name of the
What?
server we're playing on again?
Did he just steal my car?
Seems like it.
And he
Got his clothes as well.
He stole it and painted it yellow. How dare you?
What's the server name, Emil?
It's Twitch TV/Play Trailmakers.
There you go. That's the server name.
That's the server name.
Probably the only one there with Twitch in the title, I guess.
Yeah.
Maybe.
No.
Maybe.
Oh yeah,
No.
there's a YouTube one, I think. Look, he stole it and copied it. He's a pirate. He pirated my vehicle. And he painted my original one yellow. How dare you?
That's pretty cool. You can do that. You can just get in someone's vehicle, save it for yourself, and you have the blueprint.
Just wait until I get this thing airborne. Ah, no. Mistakes. It is not working. What's
What-
not working?
Yeah, what's not working, Gavinator? Is it the key or the game? You can also send me a message on Discord and I will respond to it at some point today. Maybe not right now.
Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, cause there's some issues when you put the seat on sideways. Then the air controls they act.
They go sideways.
They go sideways. So
Kind of makes sense.
it
but
kind of makes
also-
sense, but also doesn't.
sounds like a bug.
Also doesn't make sense.
Never mind. I think it's working now.
Nice. Stay saved. I just want to fly around in this. I've been doing this for way too long, but this is just life.
Whoa!
What? The button?
Goddamn search button, man.
Profanity.
It's a terrible idea.
We just got demonetized. I just got a message from Twitch and they said Jamie cursed, so no dollarinos for you. Yeah, it's a tough life being a streamer. One day you're in good graces, and the next one you're demonetized, and all your Twitch dollars are gone.
It's brutal.
It's brutal. So glad we got a side gig. All right, here we go. We gotta make it through the tube and out. No! Wonder what the other guy's doing. Maybe we should give
Oh,
this to him. Right?
Yeah, maybe he hasn't.
You want this?
Maybe
want
he
this,
hasn't
buddy?
built a plane yet.
Yeah. This is.
That's a good landing.
Thank you. Want this?
Really good.
Yeah. For you. Now, I don't know how to teach him how to fly this, but kind of gotta put it out and find like a ledge and do this. See if he manages. Press. Yay! You did it! Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Mistakes.
No,
He keeps getting connection errors.
Connection errors.
Hmm.
Not sure what that could be.
Thanks, Khan, and thanks for your video. We all watched it.
We did all watch it. We were stood around watching it. It was a good video.
It was a good video.
It was good fun. It was just the kind of motivation the team needed at that point in time.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, nope. Oh, someone new. Oh, that's
that's Vinyl.
was that the Danish guy, right? Vinyl?
Was he? Or is he?
I think so. I
guess.
think when you entered, he wrote something in Danish.
Yeah, I sent him a key before. I remember sending
Okay.
him a key, but I don't remember if he spoke Danish, to be honest. I can't find him in my my huge list of people.
Just running. You can take this.
He never spoke.
And the bearded minion
he
is
never
here
spoke
too.
Danish to me in
A long
the
time no
message.
beard. You didn't? I thought he wrote on
He just
Discord.
said, "I want a key.
Yeah.
Steam key, please."
Steam
and then
key,
he got a
Steam,
key.
Steam key pills. Steam key pills.
No, that's plus.
Where's Steam key? Steam key pills. Got a server up. Still one spot left. Should we get like a log from Nox since he can't join? Do you think?
Yeah, there might be something useful in there. We
Mhm.
should also save the server log from ourselves as well.
Okay. Good to know. Still a test.
So, how much is Trailmakers?
How much?
Somebody asks in the chat. Plugin?
So much.
So much.
Oh no, it's if you pre-order it, it's 20
euro.
currency.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
So it's $20, €20, £20.
I don't think it's 20. I mean, when you order it from Humble with the widget, I think you just pay 20 euros or dollars, and then they just whatever that is when you
It's
get
Danish. You were correct.
from your bank.
And that's only on the Humble store right now.
Yeah. So far.
You'll be able to purchase it on Steam when we release,
Mhm.
right? You're not going to be able to pre-order it on Steam. So if you do, there's no reason not to buy it off Humble Bundle, because you're going to get a Steam key. You're also going to get some cool pre-order bonuses. So there's no harm in buying it off the Humble store.
How come this game wasn't named Emil Spill? I'm told that's a trend with Emil. That's right.
Is that a trend?
Yeah, that's a thing. Whenever I'm working on a game, my grand project is to have it named Emil Spill. That's right. That's funny.
So I guess Trailmakers is getting renamed again.
And hi to Fun Day. Hi Fun Day Factory. What the schnitzel is going on in the background? That's a good question. They're playing.
There's a lot of exciting stuff happening in the background.
They're totally just working on the game.
Basically, yeah.
Kind of. Here we go.
Pressing F5, waiting for the Steam review to come in.
I didn't know I had friends at Fun Day. I knew I had former colleagues, but just the fact that they consider me a friend, that's very flattering. I mean, depending on who it is from Fun Day. Some of them, obviously, not so much, but yeah, most of you. Yeah. Super nice.
If you have the open weekend build, Bearded Minion, there is still a spot if you want to join.
Yeah, Karen, I mean, we've been playing this game so much that we kind of know the optimal design for stuff by now. A lot of people, when they try to build their first plane, they pretty much just build a rocket-powered car and then put plane wings on it. I couldn't spell acquaintances. Yeah, bet you couldn't. Acquaintances. How dare you? I'm revered over there. Have a statue of me, or they should have at least. Right?
Sorry, you talking to me?
Yeah.
You are?
What?
What? I'm in my own little
yeah, me too.
world right
Me
now.
too. I'm just flying around and reading chat.
I don't think you do, Bearded Minion. You should check your Discord. There might be something there. Maybe.
But yeah, if you like mobile games, check out Fun Day Factory. They're good guys.
There's nothing wrong with mobile games.
What?
There's nothing wrong with mobile games.
No, we make
when
mobile
you
games.
do them right, they're great games.
Oh, there he is. Damn. Should put a gun on this. Blast him out of the sky.
Isn't that going to make it too heavy though?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's
No,
gonna ruin
I've
the
seen it.
balance,
I've seen
no?
it happen.
It can happen?
Yeah. He's not that good at landing it. Wow, that was close.
The thrusters do shut off after a period of time intentionally.
Yeah.
Much to the dismay of me and Emil and some other people in the office.
Just
So I
kind
expect it to hopefully change at some point.
maybe. I mean, it's sort of like they're breathing, but
But if you do dislike it, the best way of telling us is on the Discord in the features and suggestions. The more people that say they don't like something, the more chance of us taking a look at it and changing it.
He wasn't fishing for a Fun Day Factory shout out. Well, you got it, so I hope you feel real filthy.
No, it's not a glitch, but it does look kind of weird, I think. That's
you
just
wanna
my opinion.
undo button? Yeah, that's another good one for the feature suggestions room. We have a team undo button and team against the undo button here at the company, so we need followers if you want to see an undo button.
I think that we started that today in the feature suggestions.
The undo button.
The team undo.
Yeah.
Thing. I'm team undo.
I
think we should have an undo button, but only one step backwards. I don't think you should be able to go like several steps backwards.
Yeah, just one maybe.
It's like a single.
Otherwise, it'll just mess up the build probably.
Yeah.
Can you make a ski lift? I mean, over at this thing, right? That you could make something that goes up where it looks like a ski lift, and I think that could be a good project for a YouTube video at some point from one of our content
I'm
creators.
pretty sure somebody like Scrapman, if you give him a week, he will figure out a way to make a ski lift out of that rail.
I'm sure he'll make something at least that functions as a ski lift. It might not look like a ski lift, but you know. Exactly. I saw the video. I saw you talking about the monorail. I thought it's a good idea. But hopefully you have enough ideas for multiple videos. If not, we didn't make the sandbox well enough. And by the time you run out of ideas, we'll just put out some more content.
I mean, the sandbox island isn't final, right?
Isn't it? Are we working? We're working on it, maybe. But
well, we're not making any promises. But there's definitely potential for us to put more stuff into the sandbox island, is what I'm saying.
But I was thinking either that or just make a sandbox island 2, right?
Sandbox Island, the sequel.
The
Super Sandbox Island.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Because sequels are always better, just like in Star
Emil's
Wars.
Sandbox Island.
Emil's Sandbox Island.
Game.
What?
Emil's Sandbox Island
game. Emil's,
you can market that, right?
Emil's Sandkasse Ø-spil. It's good.
You can market it?
It's final name now. It's canon. Write it on the wiki. Ever thought about hoverblades? Hoverblades. We have hover blocks.
What are hoverblades? Sounds kind of dangerous.
What's a hoverblade? You'd have to explain that a little bit for me and Jamie. Oh, he got in.
You got it. Oh, Nox got in.
Mm-hmm.
This is where it's like game crashed. How did you? Well, he's not gonna see because he's playing.
Did Panda? He said he was gonna go to bed and then he stayed in, so just to hug someone else's place. That's not nice.
I think I gave Pantera like a key. No, it was this morning. He's been playing the game all day.
What's happening, Jamie?
That's intended. It's a feature and not a bug. You should respawn.
Should I? What?
Whoa.
Is this a server issue?
Okay, yeah, this is a server issue. Kind of seems like it.
It's good.
It's happened since Nox joined.
Nox, you messed up.
We might have to.
The stream.
We might have to restart the server, maybe.
Yeah. It's like little itty bitty hilly blades, just about 20 of them. Somo, it's a down pointed turbine. So like the gimbal.
I'm just gonna nod and say we should post. You should post it in
the feature suggestions room, and
we'll make a note of it. We'll pass it on to the designers
to the designers,
see what they think.
See what they think.
And then we're also going to Google image search a hoverblade.
yeah, and like itty bitty hilly blades and stuff like that.
I'm sure when we see an image of it,
See.
we're going to be like,
Oh, that's what you meant. How do one join?
we
It's time to repeat yourself, Jamie.
have a computer right here. We can check what a hoverblade is.
That's cool. I didn't even think about having a computer nearby. Or two.
Those? That doesn't sound like what he's...
A hoverblade?
Oh.
A hoverblade is like what people call the... What's it called?
I'm not seeing anything like what was just described in chat. I'm seeing a lot of knives and blades. Did you restart the server?
Name of the server? Still Twitch TV / no, it just started working again. Just a temporary hiccup.
One of those? Maybe he's calling it a hoverblade because that's what they're called in Robocraft.
Oh.
I mean, this kind of seems like what he was talking about, right?
Yeah, but don't we have
It
those?
kinda looks like the hoverbot
It
to
looks
me.
it looks like the gimbal.
The gimbal, that's the... Yes.
So if this is what you meant, we have it. This is like a jet that always fires downwards, no matter how you would turn. So yeah.
If
Mod
you
support.
want to join the Real Fuzz, you need the Open Weekend build, and if you don't have access to that right now, you can go on our Discord if you're not already on there and ask for a key. I'm actually not sure if you're already on our Discord. I think you might be, maybe. Maybe. Don't seem to be. And if you're not on the Discord, the address is discord.gg/Trailmakers. I always want to say play Trailmakers.
It's not.
Everything
it's
else is play Trailmakers.
Yeah, because I got the domain. Latency to Australia was pretty bad. I believe that. That would make perfect sense.
It's pretty cool we had a connection to Australia.
Yeah.
Like, you were playing 2-player without that many issues, it seemed like. What is...
Just walking on Nox. Because that's seemed like a thing to do. Oh, look at him go. Straight in the water. Beautiful. Beautiful takeoff. Tank tracks were steep and very uneven ground. I like that. We've had tank tracks before, but they didn't work so well, so we took them away. But I mean, it's a good suggestion.
Lord Payne, I know you've sent me a DM. I will get around to sending you a key as soon as I can. I have a whole lot of DMs right now.
I
You
remember
will
playing.
definitely get a key, so don't worry about not getting one. You will get a key.
I remember playing with gang. I remember. That was fun. I was late last night, I think. Just sitting around waiting for the review, playing a little bit. Joined the server.
I was just sending out keys yesterday, basically.
You were, yeah.
That was what I did yesterday. But it's pretty fun. I mean, people are super happy when they get a key, and it feels good. It feels nice that people are excited to play the game finally.
Yeah. I mean, it's unfortunate that we can't just let anyone in through the store link, but hopefully it'll solve itself today and start doing that. So any plans to increase server size eventually? Right now the server size is set at maximum 4. The reason we kept it is just for you guys to have a better experience. It's not very nice to get a negative, review because someone tried to put 16 people in a physics-based game over network. But if your computer can run more people, I mean, I agree that it should be an option to increase the server size. I think we've talked about having it available when we've optimized the game more. So at some point during early access, just expand the server size limit.
Oh, don't make any promises
No
here.
promises, but
Don't be saying like massively multiply
Jamie is gonna make it MMO. He says he has like an MMO button that he's gonna push.
Yeah, I have a few lines of code which can
Just make it
expand
MMO,
Yeah,
so it's like
pretty
World
easy
of
to just
Warcraft but with
copy-paste it in.
vehicles. It's easy.
Super easy.
Having trouble joining? Well, you're in now. Can I get a free demo? Such a key. Hmm? Thanks, Elias Olsen. Why wouldn't you be excited for this? I agree. This is now not a vehicle game apparently because everyone is just running around. Oh, except the bearded minion. And join.
That's why the server's dying.
Of course,
It's a big vehicle.
It's not that dying, is it?
It's a little choppy.
Network status good.
Yeah, but
I
I
don't
just
see a
mean
problem.
like it's a little choppy.
It's a little chubby.
But it is like that's like a 300 block vehicle, right? I think.
This one?
It,
Did he
is
make
it the
this?
Todas? No, that's the Todas, right?
Is it?
I think it is.
Did you build this?
It looks like the Todas, but it might not be.
You want skills plus vehicles? Yeah, I'm level 90 vehicle mage, like a, I don't know, helicopter warrior, spec'd into Fury, and my DPS is off the chain. That's a super good idea, Khan. Just, feature suggestions room on Discord. Just write that you want an RPG
Trailmakers
MMO,
RPG
MMO set in the Trailmakers world, and I'm sure we can crank that out in a couple of days. Right?
Will be easy.
Oh, I stole the car then. Sorry, I kicked him out. See, if you're in a car with someone and you press B, you kick them out, you take the car. It's like GTA for Trailmakers, except nicer.
Can we send the... Wait,
I don't think I can link in
we can't
chat
even
because
put a link in our own chat.
and the reason
Are you
is
sure?
that we are very bad at Twitch. Let that be completely transparent. We're very bad at Twitch, so apparently we can't link in chat. When I try, it's just like
We can't link in our own chat.
No,
That's
no.
kind of incredible.
See, I'll try.
Can you cheat it? Can you like put it across 2 lines maybe, or
Probably.
like space it out?
See?
Oh, wait.
When I did that,
can people see that link or?
I don't know, cause how would I know? Because I'm bad at Twitch. See that? It looks right.
Because I
Can you?
remember last
Does
time
it
we
work?
tried, it didn't work.
Does it work? Does the link work? He says he doesn't have a key yet. Any more way to build your own
I
mounts?
mean, if only.
That's gross.
Oh, yeah, there is a link below the video feed as well.
Oh, so if I do like, click here. Is that right?
Is
Click
it?
the.
Okay, look on the, you like over there.
On our
Is it that
channel
way or
page,
that way?
there's like
I
a Discord link somewhere. Is it here? Is it down here? Or is it here? Click the Discord. It says, I think it says follow us on Discord, maybe.
Someone's trying to kill you.
Oh,
Man.
what? That's mean. But I have ways. You are gonna regret that. Very, very much. Let me just get something mean and destroy you. What should I take? Which one? How about I think actually the Tumblr has, doesn't it? Yeah, this has guns. Where are you at? Where did you go? There he is. It's too fast for the Tumblr. Got him! Deleted link. Huh. Discord.gg/trailmakers. It's a little choppy now with all these big vehicles.
Yeah, it's a
in.
lot of big vehicles.
It's running pretty well.
I like that vehicle though.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Looks really cool.
Here we go. And like a glove. His Discord is Elias the Potato. simple. It's a simple name, Elias the Potato.
It is a simple name. I mean,
Like his name is
so why you call
Elias.
yourself a potato?
No, but
Or-
I mean his name is Elias in
I'm not
real
gonna-
life, but he's also a potato. Makes sense. Do you have any transformations set up? Do you wanna?
You can try it. I think I might have deleted them when we were testing the save game.
Okay, I
yesterday.
have an idea.
You can make some.
I have an idea.
If they'll work or not is another thing
Of course it
entirely.
works. Every feature in Trailmakers work. Rip my stream appearance. Someone spawn crashed me.
That was probably Emil.
Sorry. Rip my stream appearance. Your 15 minutes of fame. Sorry.
What?
Oh
What
no,
just
no! It's good. It's good. It's a little crooked. Out. And did you see
Yeah,
that?
there's a weird thing with the seats at the minute when you transform.
Whoa.
Blame Peter.
Blame Peter. Hashtag blame Peter. That's a blame Peter count of 1 for this stream. Look at Con Gaming, he just got his mind blown. I love that there's so many features that you guys haven't found yet.
I do. I mean,
Yeah.
we've had the transformation feature in the Alpha 2
We had it
weeks
for
now.
months.
Nobody has noticed it.
No one notices. All you want to do is drive into each other. But I'm telling you, buddy, there's more to this game.
I mean, it is pretty hidden. It's a pretty hidden feature. We don't
not
tell
hidden-
people about it.
It's
We
not
don't,
hidden, it's like a cheat code or anything.
There's no tutorial on how to do it, which there will be in the future.
Mhm.
But yeah, you can transform.
I look forward to the video, Con. Just don't tell any of the other guys, and you know, you saw how I did it. Watch the bot, do that in front of them. Watch their minds.
Now there's going to be hundreds of YouTube's videos.
Yeah.
Top secret.
Unfortunately, I mean, it works most of the time, and it doesn't look too pretty. But
It's just saying like 50% of the time it works all the time.
50% of the time it works every time. But you know, this is pre-early access beta. Just the fact that it slightly works is a major victory. Yeah, you notice it but never used it. I feel like a lot of people would say that, right? Because it's right there next to the where you import blueprints and stuff.
It's kind of hidden away, and
if you just look at it and you're like transform feature, I wonder that. Oh, never mind, right? But it's right there. You missed it.
you activate boosters by pressing space.
Yeah,
That's the default key.
the default
if
key
you don't change it.
is space. You can change it if you go into build mode. Click your booster, click the cogwheel, and change the key in the settings.
And it should save.
It should save. It does save. Just be sure you save it after you change the key,
Yep.
and then
There
then
is a
you know
known bug.
load the
At the minute, there's a known bug with key bindings where if you move a block away from your structure in build mode, so for example, if you place a booster and you set the key binding to E, and then you move that block away from the structure, the binding will go back to the default setting.
I see.
But in terms of bindings resetting when you crash and respawn, I don't want to say it's fixed, but it should be better. So if you do experience that, then let us know in the Discord.
I'm drowning. I'm drowning. How do I? Why does double space not work? How do I do that? Help me. Oh. All right.
It's an easier way to get out.
Yeah. Here's another one for your list. You know, repair
I
turns
don't
you.
have a list. I only have a list.
You should have a list.
I only have a list of keys. Right now. That's
you-
the only thing I have.
Okay. Want to do a challenge? What challenge? Challenge me.
Yeah, I think that is a bug though with the water. Somebody reported that. I can't remember who it was.
A bug with the
someone
water.
mentioned it.
Yeah.
Something about
Yeah.
when you jump out.
Oh
of
yeah,
it doesn't-
Can wrote an email to me
Yeah.
with some of the stuff they found. I think that was on the list.
Yeah, maybe that's who I'm thinking of. Maybe it's Can.
But here's what I'm saying, Jamie. Repair flips you 90 degrees, but only sometimes.
It shouldn't flip you. When it flips you, it's a bug.
Okay. Well,
When it
pretty
flips
nice.
you, it means the vehicle has gone off the grid.
Mhm.
It's gone like it's had enough. It's gone off the grid. It wants to get away.
Right.
But yeah, it means it's off the grid, so it's trying to recenter itself.
I see.
But it shouldn't do that. Whoa, what happened there?
I exploded.
That's unfortunate that you exploded.
Can't build while exploding. What?
This stream has gone really fast.
What time is it? 15:50.
We've still got 10 minutes. I mean, I'm happy to stream for more
Build
if we
your
need to.
bike challenge. I'm in. Bike building.
Just import the bot bike.
No, actually, I've gotten very good at building bikes.
Oh, you know it from, you know it from
I
memory.
know it from memory now. What you do is not a trail hinge, large hinge, large hinge. God, they're noisy in the background. Oh, just one of them. We got the suspensions. No way,
Guys.
double suspensions.
Guys,
Please,
we're streaming.
can we have some silence? Let's see.
Yeah. Rip my ears.
Rip my ears. They didn't even write that, but that was very. That would be something they would write.
I'm sure if Nemax was here, he would have written rip my ears.
Rip my ears. Okay, so here's what I'm doing for my bike challenge.
They get really noisy then, didn't it? They were like shouting at each other.
They were. Sorry. They're just. Oh, I fucked up. Oh, I cursed, so I double effed up. Here it is.
What's going on in the background with the hover vehicle?
That's a good question. Trailmakers Dev's learning what it's like to stream when you live with other people. You live with other people too. You gotta shush them. But can you make YouTube videos so you can cut it out? We're live. There it is. Pretty good.
Oh, so, wait.
Pretty good. I was thinking of something actually.
Is that the same as the...
Pretty
Is
much.
it not a little bit different?
Pretty much.
No? Okay.
See that? By doing this, I think. Oh no. There it is. Right? Then it becomes overall a little bit lower, which I like. This. There it is.
I think Kanye's gonna steal your bat bike.
You are?
I think you should copyright it. Quick.
This you can't steal this. Emotional copyright. Is that a thing?
Definitely. It is now.
Everyone's
It's a
shut
thing
up
now.
if you ask. You should watch some of the previous 13 developer streams if you want more ideas. We've had to fill some time. I don't mean that in a bad way, but
I like our streams.
I like our streams.
I think they've developed pretty well over each week.
Don't watch the first ones.
Don't watch the first few, they're pretty bad.
They're pretty bad.
The first one we didn't even have like a proper microphone,
No.
we didn't have lighting, it
Nope.
was
These-
amateur hour.
Amateur, real amateur hour. Look at this. Whew. Okay, now for the cheating part. Since it can't really stand up by itself, we do this. There it is. Okay. But Emil, what about an engine? Shut up. This is dumb engine. Huh? What else? Oh yeah. A little more of this. Right? Did I flip it right? There it is.
Where's that guy?
And
You got a key.
like this.
You get a key. You get a key.
And
Everybody gets a key.
finally, for my last trick. It's done. Thank you.
It is done.
And like all of Batman's vehicles, red.
Triggered.
Here we are. How do you like them apples?
Are you sure he's not missing something? It
What?
kind of looks different from the original one you made.
Oh
And
yeah,
not
I mean
just the
I put some, you know, shield plates and stuff on it. In the original one. You want those? Thanks, Jamie. Thanks for reminding me. Where are they? Stream. Boom. Like this. There it is. And gotta do this. Right?
Winter Shell wants you to group up at the spawn so you can have a bike race.
Okay.
Oh, he's made a bike as well.
I'm in. Gotta do this first.
So there's at least 2 bikes here. That's pretty cool.
That's annoying. Nah. Get rid of this. And this too, I guess. And then paint it all in the color of Batman, which is pink.
I wouldn't feel too bad about your builds, Can, because Emil does spend like at least 8 hours a day playing Trailmakers. So
It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. Okay.
gonna have to cut that out. Can you give me the key, fam?
Someday, Nox. We can have a private session. I mean, I've used your vehicle so much on stream that I owe you that much. What is this? He made like
I mean,
it's a motorbike.
He just got the game. That's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
It's better than the bike I could make.
I've seen
like
worse.
when I first started the game.
He just kind of just framed the wheels.
Stays upright.
Mm-hmm.
I have a feeling he's gonna win here, though.
I think so. Oh, he's stealing my design. I gotta run. Can't copy me. Okay, let's take this out for a spin. It's pretty hard to control. Also, the booster is at the same button as the cannon, which is unfortunate.
Seems smart.
Seems dumb. Yeah. See, I built the bat pod. And it's pink, just like in the movies.
Wow, it's not. Pink.
That's not in. Pretty sure it's pink.
Pretty sure it's pink.
It's pink.
Have you even seen?
Have you seen the movies? No, I thought so.
I
Coming
watch
here.
Netflix.
Well, we're having a motorbike building challenge. So.
Oh, you have other people in there as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
3 other people in there.
Hello,
Mhm.
other people.
Got Vinyl,
Vinyl?
bearded minion, he's a streamer, I think, a YouTuber. Bearded minion, right? This guy, he just got the game.
In there until you kicked him out.
I didn't kick him out. This guy just got the game, and look at that.
Wow.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, doesn't seem that
It's a
fast.
fast machine.
Pretty much. It's almost like the frame kind of falls down when he goes out. Yeah, guns. Good idea. Good idea. Every fair race needs a couple of guns. just see, Khan Game is in the chat. He makes videos, YouTube videos.
Oh yeah,
Mhm.
I saw the video.
Twitch streamer. Bearded Minion is a
Must
Twitch
record
streamer.
a third video.
A third video. We haven't seen the
After
second video
seeing,
yet.
After seeing all these ideas.
Oh, I think they recorded last night because he sent me an email this morning with the stuff they found.
We need to change the trail for the big wheels.
Yeah?
Because they're like the small wheels trails.
Les, you need to introduce yourself to the
Hi, I'm
stream.
Lasse. I'm art director.
Very good.
I'm very occupied with how the trails look. Functionality, not so much.
Yes. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
That's dangerous.
Oh, you have guns as well?
Yeah, of course.
Of course you do.
Gotta protect myself.
Yes.
It's only for protection.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, a good guy with a cannon is...
A dead guy with a cannon.
no, I mean...
No.
The only solution for a bad guy with a cannon is a good guy with a cannon. How come the rubber on the wheels get real blubbery when
It's
when they, you know,
It's made of gel.
it's made of gel.
Mm.
That's you can put that on the wiki. Is this the one? Do I have one? Here?
Anyway.
Yeah.
I'm off.
All right.
Du har lige lovet fra, at vores hjul er lavet af gel.
Now we have to stick to it.
Man.
Oh man, we should have updated the tile. Open weekend stream.
I kind of blew him up. How's it going over here with the bike designs? Let's see.
It's still
Got
going.
Bearded Minion. He's
basically copying
he's
yours.
going for yeah, but he's just pretty much just putting four times as many engines on. Get away from
It
me!
also has a spoiler on the top of the roof, which
Mhm.
is
Probably
a
good.
nice addition.
Yeah, good idea. Nope. Nope. Don't. That's mean. Just handicapping me. Do engines stack? They stack as in the more engines you put on, the faster your vehicle is. They don't stack literally because there are only knobs on some of their sides. But they don't stack infinitely. It's not like if you put 1,000 engines on, it just, you know, adds horsepowers. How would you say? Additively? Oh,
So when you're talking about stacking, you mean like power-wise right now, not like
no.
physically stacking.
Power-wise.
Power-wise, I think there's a
They
cutoff point. I
they
believe.
stack, but
I don't
there's a
think
cutoff point.
I don't think it's an infinite.
No.
Like there is a limit, but it's pretty high.
And every time you put an engine on, it's also gonna be heavier. So
Yeah.
kind of gotta balance it. And it's a good idea to have both engines that just give you regular, you know, engine power propulsion that just puts power to the wheels, as you can see here with the 2 check marks, and have jets that just kind of boosts you.
Mm-hmm.
Have a mix of them. Oh, this is a good view. Oh, I think he's done. Where'd you go?
This is the moment where people are like, "What? You can change the camera?"
Look at him go. Beautiful. But why did you put hover blocks on top of it? That seems like a
Why wouldn't you?
like a decision.
Yes. Do you know how to find the IP of the server? Yes.
Let's check over here. I think Vinyl kind of he's kind of stuck with this building.
He's disconnected maybe, or is he still
No,
moving?
it's been like
He's
this
still moving?
for some time. Maybe just went AFK.
Yeah, he might have gone AFK or disconnected.
And what about over here? You're starting over. With the heavy jets on the sides.
That's not the heavy jet.
No,
that's
that's not.
the big old engine.
That's a raw engine? Raw engine.
Yeah,
it's
it
the
is
raw
the-
engine.
Yeah.
I'm-
It used to be
I
called the
am-
big old engine, right?
Big ol' engine?
That's what it used to be called, I'm pretty sure.
Nah.
Do you want me to check an old build?
Yeah. Nah.
I'm sure Peter is going to correct me in the chat in a second.
Big ol' engine.
It's going to be like, well,
Oh, yeah.
actually... I mean, it's 5 minutes over stream time. I'm having a good time sending keys.
Yeah.
If you want to carry on streaming, it's fine by me.
Stream for a little bit more. As long as people, you know, want to see me dumb around.
Driving in circles on your
Yeah.
bike.
Okay, let's do something then. I mean, these guys are just spending hours building a motorcycle. I built mine in like 5 minutes, obviously, because I'm a pro. But
Professional trailmaker.
I'm a professional trailmaker. Oh no, don't let Leslie watch this. Do you see this? Do you see the issue?
No trails?
No, just lighting on the car in the shade.
Beautiful lighting.
It's nice. Do you know if the time of day slider affects everyone on the server or just yourself?
There is no slider. In
You,
the...
you removed the slider?
Did he? That's also news to me.
You didn't.
I had no
you
idea.
hadn't.
We
You
had that
didn't
in
know
the
this.
in the preferences thing. That's a good change.
It does.
It's individual apparently. That's kind of weird. Probably should
It's
be
a little
server
weird.
wide.
It should be,
It
but
should be server wide.
I think we put it in because some streamers told us that it would be good to have a way to turn nighttime off because the videos might not look so good.
Yeah, if you're watching a stream of this.
What?
If you're watching a stream
I don't-
of the game at night time,
What's your point?
it might not be that great.
I don't understand. What's your point? As you can see, the headlights work beautifully. Wait a minute. That's nothing. What? Where did they go? Does anyone know how to find stuff?
What did you do?
Where's the
What are you looking for?
where's the lights? Oh, there it is.
Frames.
Of course they're in
Makes
frames.
sense. In
There,
frame.
these work, right?
In the frames.
I know, Peter. God.
In the frames.
Inside the frames? Yeah. Time of day is into it.
Oh my god,
That's good.
man.
Since it's dark in Denmark now, it's also dark in the stream.
It's real time day
It's
and
real
night time.
time, real time day and night cycle manually.
If you change.
If you change it manually, it's real time. It's very good at getting up here. No, no, why? Okay, this is.
Thank you, Peter. I was just about to tell Goldstack that. What is happening right now?
I don't know.
You should change it to daytime again.
Can you make me a mod?
Can you?
Like right a second? Can we do that?
I guess. How though? Do they?
How, Peter?
God weekend.
Ban user?
Ban? Is it ban? Is it the ban user button, Peter?
Yeah, I think that's
Mod user?
There it is, Peter. I did it. I clicked the button. I clicked the ban button.
I can still live something.
Oh, that's good.
Now we're official. We have a mod.
We have a
in
mod
the
now.
chat.
So, pro streamer.
Now it's serious.
This is very hard to
business.
steer. Nice. It's. I mean, it's not a.
We're not gonna change.
It's not a bike.
It's a trike.
Do you
But I
want
thought-
to
I thought
change
you-
this?
Yeah. It's,
Sure.
look at the difference here. Watch when we change it. It's gonna
I
look
see.
so much better.
Is it?
You ready? You ready?
Sure. Sure, Jamie. Whatever you say. Sorry, it's a trike. Don't be sorry. Trikes are nice.
It's a bike if you believe in it.
Hmm.
It's true.
It's a bike if I knock off one of your wheels. If I shoot off one of your wheels. See? We can make it a bike together. There you are. Fixed it. You're welcome. Anytime.
Seemed kind of mean.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Welcome to the stream. I'm it's like good cop, bad cop, but good streamer, bad streamer, where you're the good one giving out keys and I'm the guy blowing up people's vehicles.
We can do that on the next stream. We can just spawn camp the spawn point when people join. We
just
grief
for an hour.
That's good.
Yeah. Wait, I can get the vehicles with just the people's PNG images? I know. Another mind blown.
It's magic.
It is magic. Yes, you can. Import the PNG into your game and you have the vehicle.
Another way you can do it is if you're playing with somebody, you can get in their vehicle, and you can get the blueprint that way if you save it. Right?
Yeah. I didn't listen, but yeah. Yeah. It's pretty good. Now we put cannons on, so I'm a little worried now.
A little bit concerned?
Yeah, a little bit. I mean,
he
came in peace, but now it seems like it's getting kind of hostile. I think I'll just put myself behind him, so if he does get any ideas, you know, got my sights on him. Peter, I think they have that copyrighted. Can't say that on stream.
They'll just mute the button.
They'll mute the button and give us a copyright strike on YouTube when I upload it.
Thanks, Peter.
Thanks, Peter. What? Something's up. There it is. Just had to snake my way. So is this guy still AFK? I think it's pretty... I can just hug a place on the stream. Oh, he's not. He's actually building. Good for you. Did anyone see the sweet grass trails?
Do you know what we haven't shown on this stream?
What?
People have maybe seen it already if they've watched YouTubers.
Transform feature?
Football field.
Oh.
That's correct. Football field. Not a
so
soccer field.
You take, like, football? I mean, like American football?
No.
Right?
Don't go there.
No?
I don't even like football.
You know?
No.
But do you like soccer?
It still frustrates me so much to the point where I can't talk. When people call it soccer.
Soccer. That's a soccer
Football.
field. I like that people just called it the Rocket League field because that is accurate. It is exactly like Rocket League. Except better because you can build your own vehicle. Bold claim. So how's this going down here? Yeah.
Seems everybody's...
What?
Whoa.
Mean? You build a vehicle optimized for grabbing a ball? Gonna get all those
people they've seen your design and they've just taken notes and they've expanded.
You think this is an improvement on my design? Looks pretty good. I think that the
let's see if they remember the secret supports.
Yeah, but don't you think the suspensions will support?
Could do. Could also cause it to like grind on the ground. Maybe
it could. It's lit. Please get out of here.
It's kind of unfair.
Yeah. Highlighted the what times. Whoa. Easy, buddy. Look at this guy go.
Can you show us the map? No, not right now because it's disabled in the open weekend build.
Map disabled?
Because the map for Sandbox Island wasn't finished, basically. That's
Oh.
why it's not there. If you mean the Sandbox Island map.
These guys. Unsuspecting victims. I mean, the ball physics need to look bad on the football field. As one of my builds had a hard time trying to push it. I agree. The vehicles tend to roll over the ball instead of... and I think there was some talk about changing the ball physics.
I heard something about
making it a puck instead.
Yeah, I heard something like that.
So if you're into a Rocket League but with ice, like with hockey instead, is that it?
Yeah, it's hockey that uses a puck.
Because if it's a puck, then you won't roll over it, you'll just push it. We also talked about making it a little more bouncy or something. We'll see.
It's always amusing when you see people exploding in the distance.
Exactly.
Kinda never gets old.
You ready? Peter?
Peter's gone.
Peter? Peter, something happened. It's like when a teleportation mishap where you come out without an arm or something.
Peter committed and left, I think.
Typical. What? This one acts weird. Do you see this? Look at this.
Blame it on the transformation feature.
Oh, I am. It's like it's got. And
It's
this
definitely
one.
Peter's fault.
This one needs to die. This is
Yeah, you're also missing a piece at the front though, which probably doesn't help with control.
thruster timings off. Is that it? Oh yeah, because that's it. They turned off, not at the same time. See that? See
That
this?
makes sense.
See this? Repair, spinning 90 degrees. You've seen it before.
You told me before,
I know.
and I told you it's because the structure is off the grid, so it's trying to put itself.
He's gone off the grid.
Taking over.
Get it?
Fixing the LEDs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at this guy. Look at him go.
Yeah.
Time for the stunt of the day, sponsored by Nissan.
Yes, yes.
And Red Bull,
Please
please give us free Red Bull.
hashtag not an ad. Let's try that again. Well, it's been some time since someone's written in chat that they want a key.
I still have a lot
Shouldn't
of
have
keys
said-
to give
oh,
out.
okay.
You shouldn't have said that.
I shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry.
I think maybe everybody.
Why don't you guys want keys?
I think everybody in the chat has a key already now.
Okay.
I think.
Someone
hope-
pointed out that we have a rule on Discord that says no key begging, and we actively ask people to beg us for keys, which is kind of weird. They're right. Sorry. Here we go.
That
Here
rule,
we go.
That rule is it's not in action for this weekend, or
This-
until the open weekend actually opens.
Oh, because they. Are we through? We have people have keys.
I think everyone in the
What's the
Twitch chat has
name
keys.
of the plane?
Super duper awesome tiny plane.
It's called Mosquito. No, someone called
Does
it.
it have an? Who made it originally? Was
Someone
it
on
Cheetah?
Discord made it. If you scroll up, like I don't know, 14 days or something, it might be there. It might have a name. I think Cheetah made it.
All I know is I think pretty much everybody in the office has that plane saved as a blueprint, and
yeah.
they use it to get
It's
around.
so fun. I mean, come on. How can you not enjoy this? Oh no. Jamie,
I am gonna send you a key right now, Lord Payne.
I was thinking about.
Even if you have a traitorous avatar, but it's fine.
Kinda maybe time to quit streaming.
Probably is about that time. It's been like 20 minutes longer than
Yeah,
usual
yeah.
because we were having so much fun.
Unfortunately, then no, we don't have to close the server, but we'll
We don't have
the
to close the
stream.
server now.
That's
I
true.
mean.
Oh
yeah,
well,
the
we'll give a
stream-
warning so they can have time to save their vehicles. It's bad manners to just close the server and while someone's building. Did you know that? That's bad Trailmakers manners.
It is. And if you do it, you get bad reputation.
Yeah, you should feel
and
bad.
then you will be forced to play
you
with
should
bad players.
You should feel bad about yourself too. But yeah, that was the open weekend stream where this weekend wasn't that open. Hopefully it'll be more open later today if Steam puts us through the review and we can just start sharing the store page and you can download the game directly from that. So Jamie doesn't have to send out keys.
That would be nice.
Yeah. We'll be on Discord, so if you have any questions or need a key, go to Discord.
Yeah, Discord is the place to go if you need anything related to Trailmakers.
That's
if
right.
you need help or you just want a key,
Mm-hmm.
Discord is the place to be.
Yep. And if your friend wants a key, have them join the Discord. Or, I guess if you ask real nice, Jamie will give one to you that you could give to your
I can
buddy.
send you a key can on Discord, and Senpai Mick, if you're also on Discord, I can also send you a key. Just send me a message if you haven't already. If you have sent me a message, I'm going to go through what I have left now and send keys. So I haven't forgotten about you. But you got to be on Discord to get a key. Basically.
Yep. Jamie, when's the game out?
What's the day again? What day is it? The 30th? 29th?
30th. No,
It's the 31st, of
it's
course.
the 31st. You can pre-order already on playtrailmakers.com. And, you know.
Why do you have to end it? Because we have to.
Because we're hungry.
We've been working all day. We still have work to do.
Still work to do. People are going home. So are we soon. We'll stream again next week.
Yeah, next Thursday probably.
Yep.
Hopefully.
Yep. That's it. Thanks for tuning in. That was nice.
Thanks for watching, guys, and joining in the chat.
See you next time. Bye.